Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA 235 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let me quickly unblock the device. We have to open the menu, so just tap on this or press this, this middle button, go down and left to find the settings. Here we have to go to the personalization and press select and then choose lock screen background. Let's select. Go to wallpapers, or you can of course choose something from your own gallery, but I will choose something from the pre-installed options. Let's select, and as you can see here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got this first option applied, so let me choose the second. Just mark it just by going just by using this right and left button and press select. Now let's press this button for confirmation, and we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.